H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys, how we are different from our competitors. 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus, one-time fee and lifetime access to classes, access to recorded sessions of live classes. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For a free demo class, visit us at h2kinfosys.com.
Hello. Hi everybody. This is Priya here. I guess all the participants can hear me. Okay. So we were discussing on the quality center, right? Can you tell me what are the modules that we have discussed in the quality center, which we have completed? Okay, so we have completed the 4 modules, right? Yes, the requirements, the test plan, test lab, and then the defects. Now after that there are 3 features that we will be learning. The first one is the linking. The second one is report generation. And then the third one is export Excel to quality center. So these are the 3 features that we will learn. Okay. So let me go to my quality center. We'll open the quality center explorer. Click on the go. And then authenticate and login. So first of all, I'll show you the linking. Do you remember which is the defect that we had created in the previous class? Bombino Express. Okay, which one was that? Let me clear this filter. There is a filter here. Okay, so this one, right? The Bombino Express rates does not appear under the our services. Okay, so after creating the defect here, we should make sure that we have to link this defects immediately to the test case that is present in the test plan. Okay, so whenever you are creating the defects, make sure that you are going to link the defect to the test case that is present in the test plan, right? So let's see how to do the linking with the test case. The defect says that the rates does not appear under the our services. So go to the test plan here you have the Bombino Express, our services rates. So here it tests the rates under the our services, and we see that the rates is not displaying under the our service, so we will link the defect here. To link the defect, there is a tab here which says linked defects. Click on that after selection of the our services rates, and then you click on this one. It will ask you the defect ID. So if you remember the defect ID, write here the defect ID and click on the link button. But if you do not remember the defect ID, there is a small arrow, click on this, select, and then select that defect. Do you see? It is linked. The test case is linked with the defect. If I click on that, it takes me to the defect here. So I have linked this defect number 98 to the test plan that is present over here. Okay. Now similarly, I can also link it to the requirement coverage. I go to the requirement coverage tab here, click on select requirements. The list of requirements are displayed here on the right side of the screen. And then I say our services rates, and then click on this arrow mark. They are getting linked. Okay. Sure, Geeta. See here. Select the test case here. Click on the requirement coverage. Select requirement. Select the requirement here, and then click on the arrow mark. Okay, Geeta. Is it simple or not? The linking. You just have to, click on the link button and then select the defect or the requirement to do the linking. Now one more thing I want to show you, that is the report generation. So I'll show you how to generate the defect report. So go to the defects here. There is an analysis, report, standard report. Click on this one and then the report gets generated automatically. Do you see here? This is it. The report is ready. Okay, I'll show you again. It is very simple. Go to the analysis, report, standard defect report. Okay, if you want to see the graphs, go to the summary here. The graphs gets generated automatically. Do you see? Graphs are getting generated. So here the x-axis is there, which is assigned to, y-axis is number of defects. Grouping is also done here. You can see the pie chart. You can see the data grid as well. If you want to change this bar chart, for example, instead of assigned to, I want to see who has detected it. Who has detected how many defects? I mean, which tester has detected how many defects? We can select detected by and then refresh. Do you see? Then we can do the grouping on the status or any other field. Let's say I want to do the grouping on the priority. Can you see here? Okay, so now what you do is, one more thing I'll show you. If you want a customized report, okay, for example, I want all the defects which are having the priority as medium. So first of all, I apply the filter here as usual. I go to the priority here. I do the filtering for a medium priority. Click on the OK button. So after the filtering is done, now I do the same thing, analysis, report, and then standard report. So I'll get the report for all the medium defects. Okay, medium priority defects. So if you want any customized report, first of all do the filtering and then you Okay, and then you try to generate the report. Now, can you tell me what is the purpose of generating this kind of reports? What is the application? Why should we generate the reports? Yes, what is the purpose of linking and then reporting? Okay. Yes, I can see some answers over here. So to do the project plans, including the time, cost, okay, Arul, no, not exactly Arul. To keep the track of the defects, yes. So what is the use of linking the defects in the test plan? Yeah, that was my question, Shilpa. So you are supposed to answer the question. To keep the track. Yes, my question is why should we do this linking? And also the report generation. So what is the purpose of this report generation? See how the report generation is going to help you? So that you can check the progress. Yes. To get the overall summary. Right, Lena, but what we do with that overall summary? Why should we generate the reports? What is the purpose of that? Okay, for a quick view, fine, Divya. Give it to the developer to fix it, Tejal. Anyways, it is getting reported to the developer here automatically. We need not again generate a separate report and give them. Okay, so it is used by the test lead, the manager and the rest of the project team will want to know the status of the testing process. Exactly. Okay. So it gives you the status of the project, or let's say status of the testing process. How much testing is already completed, how much testing is pending, okay. How many defects are already fixed, how many defects are still available to be fixed. And then do we need to do the regression testing? How much of regression testing is to be done? Okay, so it will give you the status, or let's say the performance of the testing process. It can be identified by generating this kind of reports. Okay, fine. Now why do we do the linking? Why should we link the defect with the test cases? Okay, so that we understand the defect belongs to which test case, right? So here we go to the link defects and we can do the defect linking, and also like we did in the RTM, the requirements and the test cases we are going to link here. Okay, so we can link the requirements and the test cases, or go to the link defects here and then we can link the defects and the test cases, right? Okay, so these are the two important features that we have over here. Now what you do is try out these two features, and then after that I will show you how to export the Excel to the quality center. Okay. Requirement coverage, Suchita, we just now discussed the requirement coverage. It is to link the requirements with the test cases. Okay. To link the requirements with the test cases, we use the requirement coverage tab that was present here. See here, I will show everything quickly. Please go through it. Okay. We have the defects here. So I want to generate the report. I go to the analysis here. Report, standard defects report. Report is getting generated. Graphs. Click on the summary. Under this graphs, the graphs get generated. You can change the x-axis and then also the grouped. If you want to get some customized report, first of all do the filtering and then generate the report. Then if you want to do the linking, go to the test plan. You have the link defects here. So select the defect that you want to link. For example, I want to link it with defect ID 98. Enter 98 and then click on the link button. If you want to link the requirements, our services rates, and here select requirement, we have the rates here. Then add it. Okay, so it is getting linked. Simple, this much only. Okay. Okay, Paresh, you can share your screen and tell me what is the question that you have. And all the other participants try out these two features, and after that we will discuss how to export the Excel to the quality center. Okay, Paresh, I am making you the presenter. You can please show me your screen.
Hello, Priya.
Yes.
Do you hear me? Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, when I try the international link, I can show you the first one. I go here, select the I make the international rate.
Okay, do it slowly, Paresh. It is buffering slow for me.
Okay, sorry. I make the subtest the international rate. Then I select it, and I do the execution flow. So this one is only let's come out is okay.
Okay.
And when I do the run, it's showing me only this page. And if I do beginning run, they show me this option. I don't know how it's gonna be the possible.
Okay. It is because you have added these parameters in the test plan. Okay, so that's why it is showing you over here.
Okay, and suppose if I select USA.
No, you should not select USA and UK. You should give the country there. Okay, parameter name is what? It is the name of the input field. Okay, you have given the value.
Oh,
It is not the right
okay.
way. Okay.
So what I should do?
Go to the test plan and then modify the names of the parameters. Stop this one. Go to the test plan module of your quality center. Okay. Show me which is that test case that you are trying to test. Okay. Here you must have added the parameters, right? Click
Yeah,
on that.
this is a test plan.
Yeah. Yes.
Ready?
Can you please click on that P button? No. Close this one. There is a P button. Do you see? P plus and P is there.
Right.
So click on the P button. So do you see these are the
Okay.
parameters that you have created? You have
Okay.
created the parameters by name US, UK, right?
Okay. So I have to change here, or I have to just put the value?
You just have to put the value there.
Okay. But I cannot put it. It's not allowed to me.
No, not here. Okay, you should put it in the test lab. While you are adding the test case to the test lab, that time you have to put. Here you can only parameters and view the parameters.
Okay. So this is test lab. So international rate and
Execution grid.
okay. Then
Select the test.
select the international.
Yes.
This already I selected.
So now you try to add it again. Delete this one and try to add it again. That time it will ask you for the values.
Okay.
So do you see? Now it will ask and you can enter the values.
The value is gonna be the
Click on that.
country, right?
Yes. Select
Okay.
the default USA you have written. No.
That's I have to
First
select.
of all, you should not create the parameter for this checkbox.
Okay.
It is just a checkbox, okay? So parameters are created for the input fields. For example, zip code, user ID, password. Select the
Okay.
product, weight, height, width, length, right? So for this kind of input values, input fields wherein you're going to enter the values, you're going to create the parameters and you enter
Here
the
what?
values. Okay, not for the
Okay.
check boxes and all.
Okay. So what should I write down here? Nothing?
You cannot write anything. You should actually delete all these parameters by going to the test plan.
Okay, so I have to delete everything, the parameters. But I selected right now is it select default USA, right?
No, but what will you enter here? What do you want to enter?
Maybe I have to go first to test plan, then
Yes.
everything gonna be fine then. And how can I
Then
delete,
click
how can I change it here?
Show me first of all where you have created. Can you give me the control of your computer?
Yes, sure.
Give keyboard and mouse.
Okay. Do you want me to,
In the go to meeting, there is a give keyboard and mouse. Do you see? Can you please give me the control of your computer?
yes sir.
Okay, one second. So I have the control of your computer. You should not touch your keyboard and mouse. Okay.
Okay.
So here I come to your test plan module. Then you have this Bombino Express rates over here.
Okay.
So here do you see? You have created here US and UK. I delete these here.
Okay. Maybe under our service rate, maybe.
Yes, here.
Yeah.
Again you have created. So you have done, you have created the values instead of, giving the names of the parameters. So I delete them.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
But if I just put the, not make the parameter, just make the US or UK directly,
Yes.
then it's not a problem.
Okay, I think you have created them everywhere.
Maybe in the our service it might be. Then I have a question, what I write down here in the test tab, in this data, that should be correct or correct way, or just
Some step, still you have created that, just find out. Just find out and then, delete them. Okay, like I did right now. So there are still two parameters which you have created. So check here each step at a time and then find out where you have created and then delete them. Okay.
okay. Alright, thank you.
Okay. Okay, Rohini, you can show me your screen, please. See, everybody try out the reporting and then the linking part. Okay. Okay, Rohini, I'll make you the presenter. You can share your screen. Yes, Rohini, I have made you the presenter. Are you there? Okay.
H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys, how we are different from our competitors. 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus, one-time fee and lifetime access to classes, access to recorded sessions of live classes. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For a free demo class, visit us at h2kinfosys.com.